Hi everyone, just today we're going to do a little shooting demonstration here. We've got Aaron here and Tristan here are going to be doing the work. I'm going to have I'll do a bit of the talking. Aaron's a first year, just going to the second year apprentice, so he's going to be doing the donkey work. He's going to take off the shoes, do the clean up and trim out the feet. So he's now just going to start to trim out the sole. The sole's about, at the moment, after trimming, about 5 mil thick. So it's not a lot to play with, but it's quite a good flexible, strong structure. Instead of 10 face the foot and the bone and the inside. I've got another one here that was looking at the minute of the dialogue going on. In the centre of the foot, you see another little V-shaped part of the foot that's called a drop. Basically, shocking all over the foot. That's going to land on the ground first, and it's nice and come back, whereas it is to make it nice.
How you doing? Well, wait a minute, we've got to try and fail again. I think we've got to try that one off. Yeah.